Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Floriculture Development Scheme. What is the key objective of the scheme? To motivate the farmers to take up floriculture, traditional and non-traditional flowers, as commercial venture through protected cultivation to augment their income. What is the type of assistance service? The scheme provides low-cost polyhouse, drip irrigation facilities, and good quality flower planting materials including organic fertilizers, micronutrients, and organic-based plant protection measures. What is the pattern of assistance? 50% subsidy on sale of flower planting materials, low-cost polyhouse free of cost for a minimum of 100 square meter per unit area, free distribution of organic manures, fertilizers, and organic-based plant protection measures, 50% subsidy on shade net, UV film, watering can, etc. Who can apply for the scheme? All bona fide farmers engaged in floriculture. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest Horticulture Development Officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers having minimum area of 0.2 hectares willing to invest for future expansion in terms of planting materials, infrastructure, etc. Whom to contact? The District Horticulture Officer or the Horticulture Development Officer.